They're headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex.
Good luck!
Get a knee.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done? I think we jumped back.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
Got the generator. We did that all the time.
Now give me that. I thought it was about time. Have you not been paying attention?
We have him contained, but not for long.
Locking coordinates for Epcot.
Remind me to raise our rate.
You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? And do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.